Vitamin C helps us tremendously when it comes to immunity, and it also helps us in formation of collagen. Both of these things are not possible if you do not have vitamin C. Vitamin C cannot be stored in your body for a very long period of time or for a large quantity, and vitamin C is also not produced in your body, which means a daily essential requirement of vitamin C as a part of your diet is mandatory and you should not do without it. Now today we will be speaking about this phenomenal connection of vitamin C with your brain. Yes, it also has a very direct or indirect connection with your brain. Now, did you know that vitamin C enables certain production of hormones inside your brain that governs how your mental health will be, what your general mood will be, or how much will you be able to concentrate, or how much will you be able to focus on a particular thing, etc. So this vitamin C is necessary because it creates certain hormones such as dopamine or serotonin. Now these dopamine or serotonin is very important for general mood upliftment. They are our cheer hormones, they are our happy hormones. At the same time, this dopamine and serotonin is extremely important to make sure that a person does not go into depression, anxiety, or any form of mental disorders. But this serotonin and dopamine will not be able to get produced in your brain if you do not have vitamin C. So vitamin C makes a direct impact in terms of the mental condition of an individual. It is also very directly connected with depression. So a low vitamin C will have poor gut issues. And when there are poor gut issues, there will be obesity and there will be mental issues. Why so? Because your gut is also called as your second brain. So if your gut is not right, then to, actually make sure, ensure that you don't have depression or your mind is absolutely stable is difficult, because your gut is your second brain. It brings balance, and all of these hormones, whether it is your serotonin or dopamine or the other hormones that are enabled by the presence of vitamin C, are also important to be balanced in a particular quantum into our body. They require their own balance, and that balancing happens with the help of vitamin C. Now, if a person has depression, if a person has anxiety, if a person is of an unstable state, if a person has problems in focusing, if a person has certain memory issues, if a person does not have a concentration to the maximum that he can, then in that case, exposing such people to vitamin D and vitamin C can make a phenomenal difference in their health condition. And at the same time, they require some protein. So when we are able to do this for the people who are having a mental condition, or who have depression or anxiety, or who are struggling with balance in their thoughts, in their actions, in their just state of being, for them vitamin C can help create those happy hormones of serotonin and dopamine. The other thing that is required for these people having depression or anxiety related problems is to ensure that they meditate on a regular basis. Meditation, even if it is for just 5 minutes in a day, can make a significant difference to such people, and it is important to get certain signals and certain neurons triggered into your brain. The second thing that such individuals may require is a breathing pattern, a good pranayam technique that they focus on every single day. So if they are not practicing pranayam or not practicing deep breathing as it is called, then in that case they may also continue with such symptoms for a longer period of time. Sun, because I said vitamin D, the sun bath is extremely important for such individuals with any mental health condition or a mental health disorder. It is also important for them to take knowledge, the knowledge that we are sharing with each other right now, the knowledge that vitamin C is important in such situations, that vitamin D is important in such situations, that protein is important in such situations. And hence it is, knowledge is power. So when you have knowledge, you have the ability to take charge of your health. And that's exactly what all of us are doing in this course. Also, it is important for such individuals to go away from their bad habits, to change their bad habits. So whether it is watching pornography, or whether it is certain lifestyle habits, or whether it is sleeping late, or whether it is, just being in bad company, all of this makes a phenomenal difference in terms of what your mental condition is, what your mental state is. Are you able to reach that state of balance, that state of bliss, that sense of stability in your mind is governed by your company as much as it is governed by, what you are watching as content on television, whether you're watching too much of horror, too much of action, too much of thrill, or pornography. All of this content leaves tremendous impact on your subconscious mind, and sooner or later starts showing up on your health. So watch something that is humorous, watch something that makes you laugh, watch something that is light, watch something that keeps you in a state of balance, watch something that is not always triggering certain extreme thoughts in your mind, and it will make a phenomenal difference when it comes to mental disorders. Say for example a lysine and a proline. Now this lysine and proline are also amino acids. Amino acids are essentially the breakdown of your proteins. Now these lysine and proline are also important in the formation of collagen, which in turn takes care of your brain health. You also, did you know that vitamin C can also tremendously help in your digestion process? So it basically has the ability to trigger adrenaline and epinephrine, and these two are directly related to your digestion process. And hence vitamin C has an impact on digestion as much as it has an impact on your brain, as much as it has an impact on your collagen, your skin health, your aging, your hair, and immunity, and so much more. I will see you in the next video to discuss in detail what are the other areas that vitamin C impacts, and I will see you there. Till then, namaste.